Hello everyone, welcome to 2-minute lessons, and this is your 19th episode. I'm going to tell you something about future continuous tense. Actions to talk about something which is taking place at a certain point in the future. So here we use future continuous tense. Going to is an expression that you will use when you are talking about events or intentions about which you have already planned for the future. We are going to make the presentation next week. At 3 o'clock, I will be meeting my friends to watch the movie. So will be meeting is the future continuous tense form. Tarun will be running a marathon this Friday. They are going to attend the meeting. So that is a planned event. They are going to attend the meeting. What are the forms? I will be playing for the team tomorrow is your affirmative sentence. I will not be playing for the team tomorrow is the negative form. And will you be playing for the team tomorrow? This is your interrogative or the question form. What is the usage and how does it help us? If you are going to talk about actions that are halted or interrupted in the future, when they arrive tomorrow, we will be moving out. So this is again action in the future continuous form. Actions that will happen and continue at a specific time in the future. At 2 p.m. tomorrow, we will be watching the movie. Will be watching is your future continuous tense. Series of parallel actions in the future. She will be cleaning the house and he will be cooking dinner. So there are two actions here happening at the same time in the future. To politely question about the future. Will you be getting the food for dinner tonight? Will you be getting the food for dinner tonight? So it is a request in the form of a question. And again, it is the future continuous. Take a look at this table. Some slots are filled. Those are the cues for you to complete the table. Thank you for your time. Continue to learn and enjoy.